Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Robin here. In today's video, I'll be making a savory Xinjiang Uyghur pastry called Samsa. It's actually a fairly common snack that you can find throughout Central Asia. Essentially, it's a baked bun stuffed with lamb and onions, seasoned with cumin. As always, the ingredients and measurements are listed down in the description. First, let's make the dough. This can be made one of two ways: a simple bread dough or a layered pastry dough. Today I'm just gonna make the most common salsa, which is made of regular bread dough. But please stay subscribed for a fancier recipe in the future. Mix the flour, salt, oil, egg, and water together to form a dough, and roughly knead it for about 2 minutes. Cover it with a lid and let it rest for half an hour. The most common filling for traditional samsa is a mixture of diced lamb and onions. You don't want to dice it too much. Just dice the meat to the size of a corn kernel, and this will help maintain the meat's original texture. The seasoning is very simple. Just salt, black pepper, and cumin. This will highlight the original fragrance of lamb, and the cumin will add a touch of barbecue taste. Mix well and set aside for later use. Now let's wrap the samsas. In Xinjiang, the most common shape of samsa is rectangular, but you'll also see triangular and round samsas on the street. Choose the one you like. Divide the dough into 12 pieces evenly. The trick here is to roll out the dough twice, using a rolling pin. Roll out the dough to the size of your palm and thin out the edge during the first roll. You will feel some resistance because the dough is not fully relaxed yet. Set aside and work on the next one. After you're done with the first 6 pieces, come back and roll the dough out for the second time. You'll see that the dough is elastic and very easy to work with. Roll out the dough to a round shape, ideally 7 to 8 inches in diameter. Place the filling in the center and fold the dough to a rectangular shape. As you can see, the wrapping is very easy. Gently seal the seam. Place all the samsas on a baking sheet, seam side down. Brush on a thin layer of the egg wash. This will help the skin to secure the moisture, so it won't crack during baking. Decorate them with some sesame seeds, and bake for 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The traditional samsa is baked in a tandoor, which is a big clay oven. However, I don't have that at home, and it also requires some skills to stick the samsas on a tandoor wall. If you ever tried it, you will definitely know it's not easy. Voila! The freshly baked samsas are ready to eat. Ah, the smell of lamb and cumin is so fragrant. The skin is crispy. Let's open one up. Be careful, they're very hot. A big chunk of juicy meat is wrapped by a thin skin. This is absolutely a must-eat for meat lovers. If you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends. Bye!